Well, I have approximately 10 minutes before I'm getting to where I'm going to go. So I wanted to say that I went back to my old stomping grounds in Florida, and I think either at 6 something. I left by, I don't recall what time. I believe I made about $500 and I think about 3.5 hours. That's the point I wanted to get across. The only reason in particular is because I just want to throw out there how easy it is to make money as a dancer. As a dancer that fucking hustles. If you are a lazy dancer, you're not gonna make fucking money. But if you hustle, oh my god, I feel like that was a bunny rabbit in the street. I think I'm mistaken. I want to go back and adopt that bunny rabbit, but I don't think it was a bunny rabbit. Anyway, if you are a lady or girl or woman or whatever that hustles, you can make some motherfucking money. But you need to fucking work. You can't just act like it's all gonna come to you. It's not gonna be delivered on a silver platter. You have to fucking work for it. When I first walked in the door, I did not want to be there, and I came in, set my stuff down in the back. I went back to the car because I realized I forgot something. On my way back to the dressing room again, there were 2 customers in the entire fucking club. Two customers. And I was like, all right, you got 2 people in here right now you can talk to make money from. And I'm trying to make money as fast as I can, because at the moment I was thinking I was only going to be there for 2 hours. So I was like, I come back, I start walking past this one guy. I was a few steps past him and I was like, what do I have to lose? Like, I want to ask him to come dance with me right fucking now. What do I have to lose? Nothing is the answer. So I took a few steps past him and then I stopped, turned around, looked at him, and I was like, hi, I'm Claire. I was gonna go in the back and get dressed before I came out and talked to you, but I realized I was just gonna get undressed as soon as we met. So can I borrow you? Because I have something I would really like to show you. And this guy said, I really like your style. I was like, I like your dress. I'm fully clothed. And I stayed in the outfit all night because of this guy. I have on a full dress. Like, nothing, I do not look like a promiscuous, I don't look like a fucking stripper, I'll put it that way. My dress goes down past my knees, like, it hugs my body very closely. It's very, shows you all the curves and everything, but I don't look like a stripper. I went and danced to that guy. Just wanted to throw this out there. I went and danced to that guy. Made, I think, 60 bucks of him. And as soon as I was done, as soon as our song was over, or our couple songs were over, the manager asked me to get on stage. I still had on my regular dress and flip-flops. I ended up getting on stage in flip-flops and having another guy approach me that wanted to spend a bunch of money on me. He was like, he just talked a bunch of shit. But he was serious about it. It wasn't just shit. He was definitely serious about it. I'm really tired. I'm almost to my friend's house. I made approximately $500 in, I think, 3.5 hours tonight. You know, go out there and make your money. I know this video is a little incoherent. It's been a long day, long night, long whatever. Go out there and make your money. It's there. The money is there. I saw a lot of girls sitting around wasting time. I see it everywhere I go. I see it everywhere I go. Girls sitting around and wasting time. I can't, what do you do? I don't know half these girls. Like, what do I say? Like, I'm not trying to change up anybody's hustle. Whatever works for you. And maybe your hustle's better than mine. I have no idea. I just don't like to see other girls sitting with people not getting paid. It bothers me. It bothers me a lot. I want girls to get paid. I want us all to get fucking paid. I want us all to get paid. Tonight was a great night. The reason why, right before, I'm gonna be there in 3 minutes. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because I'm going to see a friend of mine right now in Siesta Key. I was in Tampa. Siesta Key is like an hour and a half away. She was working from, I think she said 1:30 p.m. to 9:30. I was going to attempt, I was going to try, I kind of tried to be at work by 1:30. I didn't get there till fucking 6 o'clock. I didn't get there till 6. I was trying to be there by 1:30. And I was going to work until the same time she did, till 9:30. And I was going to come back, and I was going to tell her how much money I made. And this was not to brag. This is going to happen. I'm going to fucking tell her in a minute. This is not to brag. This is not, like, for any other purpose other than she recently got a DUI. She hit me up. This is not the type of girl... This is not the type of chick that's trying to be a stripper. This is not the type of chick that's trying to be a stripper. There's a lot of girls that are not trying to be strippers, but there's a fucking calling. It happens. It comes to us. We're called. We're called into the land of the obscure, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't know. I don't have a clue what to call it. She said, I hope it's okay to say. She had some shit happen. She was like, I need to make a lot of money right now. And I was like, well, if there's anyone that can tell you or teach you or help you learn how to make money, it's me. And I will do whatever the fuck I can to help you make money, to help teach you how, or to help make you money. I will do whatever the fuck I can. And that is the only motherfucking reason why I went to work today, is so I could go to work and I could make money and I could show this girl that I'm on my way to her place right now how much money I made tonight, so that she could be like, holy shit, I can make a lot of money in this industry. Because I know there are a lot of us that need to be able to make some fucking money right now. Right now. Money doesn't wait. Life doesn't fucking wait for people. I know it. You know it. We all fucking know it. And this is the industry that can make it fucking happen for you. This is it. This is the industry. Do you want to make some fucking money? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Do you want to make some money with your life? Do you have a reason why you want to make money? Is there a purpose? Whatever your reasons are, I'm sure you have 100,000 of them. Maybe only 5, maybe 10, maybe 100,000. I have no idea. I have a shitload. Whatever your reasons are for wanting to make money, I want you to make money too. I know what it can do for your life. I know what it can do for your life, and I want you to live a really good life. I want you to live a really good life. I want you to help your family live a really good life. It's there. It's available. It's right there. It's at your fucking fingertips. I know there's a lot of girls that are on the fence. I know there's a lot of girls that have been in the game that are burnt out. I'm fucking in all of these places. I'm in every single one of these places. But the opportunities are ridiculous. They're ridiculous, and they're endless. They're here and they're endless. You can make a lot of fucking money in this industry. I don't give a fuck who you are. You can make a lot of money in this industry. And I want you to make money because selfishly, I want to live in a better world. That's the reason why I want you to make money, is because selfishly, I want women to be independent and happy because I want to live in a better world. That's my selfish reason. It goes deeper. There's more. I want you to plant seeds and stuff so that the whole world will be radically abundant. That's my real calling. I got a few real callings, but anyway, this video's been too long already. I love you. I do. I love you. I don't know who the fuck you are, but I promise you, we share something in common. We fucking exist on the same planet. We exist on the same planet. I want to live in a better place. I want to create a better reality. And I get the feeling that you probably want to live in a better reality and you want to make more money and whatever. I'm really hungry. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful evening. If there's anything I can do to help you make more money, send me a message. Come join our Facebook group, facebook.com/strategic stripping. Send me a friend request and a message and say, hey, I know you through YouTube or the podcast or whatever. I would love to be involved in the group, and I will get you involved in the group. I love you. Take care.